there's ways of becoming an influencer, and this is especially at that stage of your career or your knowledge of the industry where you would like to be able to share your expertise. LinkedIn has an invitation-only program, so they would have asked people to apply online, and usually it's very strong people in their field. Unfortunately, it's currently closed because there were so many people that did apply for that. What they use is a publishing platform, and they have a team of editors that check and make sure that this content is valuable, but also that it's not going to infringe on anything. They post long-form content, and usually it's between 600 to 1,000 words, articles, videos, slideshows, reliable industry expertise. It's usually thought leaders or innovators, or those opinion experts, you know, where people can now ask them questions and find out what's going on. The idea is to spark thoughtful conversation so that people can comment back or get information. And they get a follow button, so it's valuable for you now, even if you're not an influencer, to go and find out how they do it or what do they do. These people are regularly evaluated, and they only include, you know, valuable contributions to knowledge. So that's why it's quite a key thing to go and follow those guys. All right, now, if you're not an official influencer and you haven't got that blue tick next to your name, you can do it yourself by framing yourself, first of all. So what do you stand for? What do you really want people to know about you out there? Are you an expert in your field? Are you somebody who's been in that position for so long that you can actually give advice on how to get into that position? Or is there a way that you can share knowledge? So do you want to write an article like we've now just looked at? You can then include information, you can include infographics or even a video of projects and what you've been doing. You may not use infringed content, so you have to make very sure. But I mean, most of you have done a postgrad at the moment, so I'm presuming that you will all know how to do your research and how to reference it properly. And respond objectively to the comments. It's not a personal thing, and you must be able to back up your statements. What you can also do to increase that is also comment or contribute knowledge to those groups. Go and join the groups that are specific to that expertise and have a look at what they're doing. There's some groups, and also watch carefully. So some groups are just a group that they've put together, and it's not really, you know, people that are taking it seriously. So have a look at the content before you start posting. Have a look at who's saying what are they talking about, are they actually posting interesting information, and are people actually contributing to this? So go and find the groups rather that are actually contributing to knowledge, and then you make your comment or you contribute something to that. When it comes to the groups, people that are really keen about that information, either people will go and find those groups because they're looking for information, and if you've been posting, they'll then go and look at your profile to see, well, what are you doing? And that's how you frame yourself. Do you want to be somebody that they can contact to find out what it is, what's your expertise or your input? Especially if you've started your own company, and say, for example, you are in the consultancy game, then that's the place where you get known for what it is that you do. And that's how you also find, you know, new clients who are looking for that expertise. So you need to frame yourself correctly. So you need to, you know, share your industry knowledge. There's also news about what's been happening, you know, within that industry or that position. Look at how you can share your white papers or other academic content.